Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Etsy shop settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Etsy shop settings, log in to your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on Shop Manager. In the Shop Manager, find and select Settings from the menu on the left side. Under Settings, you will see several options. Click on Info and Appearance to modify basic shop information. Here, you can update your shop name, announcement, and description. Ensure all information is accurate and aligned with your current offerings. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Shipping Settings. Review your shipping profiles and make necessary adjustments. If you need to create a new profile, click on Add a Shipping Profile. Fill in all relevant information including shipping costs and processing times. After updating, save your changes to ensure they take effect. Now, go back to the Settings menu and click on Payment Settings. Review your payment options and ensure they are current. If changes are needed, follow the prompts to edit or add new payment methods. Next, head to the Policies section within the Settings menu. Review your shop policies on returns, exchanges, and shipping. Make any necessary updates to reflect your current policies. Finally, check your marketing settings to ensure your promotional tools are properly set. Once all sections are updated, review everything one last time. Confirm that all changes are saved and accurate. You have successfully reset your Etsy shop settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.